Well, my dear children, I welcome all of you to this session. This is the fourth session of Arda High School and the second session of vocabulary. Yes. এই সেশনে আমি নেইছে কোন না related words. Instruction is given. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of the words given in the brackets. जो word दिया है तार निर्दिष्ट form, either noun form or verb form or adjective form or adverb form. आमे तार निर्दिष्ट form रेटा को लिखिबा को पड़िबो. Okay. This is the instruction. Okay. The very first question. Our teachers are very dash. What is affection? So, which is the appropriate form? Our teachers are very dash. Yes, our teachers are very affectionate. Our teachers are very affectionate. Okay. Turn to the second question. Yes. We should dash guard your character. Jealous deji. You should dash guard your character. Yes. You should jealously guard your character. You should jealously guard your character. Adverb hai gala. Okay. Ita jealously la adverb. First itla konta affectionate adjective. Okay. Corporal dash is banned here. Punish deji. Which is the appropriate form of punish? Corporal punishment. Good. This is the right answer. Corporal punishment is banned here. Sharirika danda. Corporal punishment is banned here. Okay. Punishment. Okay. Punishment. Corporal punishment is banned here. Okay. He was elected again for his dash. Popular. Tell me. Yes, popularity. He was elected again for his popularity. He was elected again for his popularity. Popularity. For his popularity. His pen. Pen doesn't mean noun. Popularity noun. Okay. For his popularity. School is an dash institution. So political meetings can't be held here. कोई प्रकार institution. Yes, educational institution. School is an educational institution. School is an educational institution. Okay? School is an educational institution. So political meetings can't be held here. Okay? Political meetings can't be held here. Educational. Okay. Can you tell me the reason of your dash? Can you tell me the reason of your dash? Absent. Yes. Absence. Can you tell me the reason of your absence? Can you tell me the reason of your absence? Okay. The reason of your absence. Your absence, noun form. Okay. Her rough behavior dash pained me. Ki behavior kala? Deep deji, yes. Her rough behavior deeply pained me. Her rough behavior deeply pained me. Okay. Her rough behavior deeply pained me. Okay. Her rough behavior deeply pained me. Okay. Next question. You must be punished for your dash. Neglect deji. Yes. You must be punished for your neglect. You must be punished for your neglect. Okay. कौन लगेला? Say neglect लगेला. Okay. बुझिपाल यू मस्ट बी पनिश्ड फॉर योर नेग्लेक्ट ओके नेग्लेक्ट से नेग्लेक्ट you should read a dash newspaper deru yes daily you should read a daily newspaper you should read a daily newspaper a daily newspaper adjective daily newspaper okay okay winning a prize is not at all an dash in life गोटे प्राइज मिलगला खेल कि भाषण में पूरा जीवन में गोटे सक्सेस होगला बड़ सफलता यहाँ के भाविया उचित नुहे विनिंग ए प्राइज इज नॉट एट ऑल एन डैश इन लाइफ ओके विनिंग ए प्राइज इज नॉट एट ऑल an achievement okay winning a prize is not at all an achievement in life okay winning a prize is not at all an achievement in life okay his performance was dash appreciated his performance was dash appreciated yes highly appreciated his performance was highly appreciated okay highly his performance was highly appreciated okay although he is poor he is dash although he is poor he is meritorious okay although he is poor he is meritorious okay मनंटी लक्ष्य कर दियो although he is poor he is meritorious adjective do you believe in dash do you believe in punishment okay do you believe in punishment okay do you believe in punishment okay Madhusudan is a dash called Utkala Gaurava. Yes, popularly. Madhusudan is popularly called Utkala Gaurava. Madhusudan is popularly called Utkala Gaurava. Okay? Popular, popularly. Adverb position रे व्यवहार कले popularly called Utkala Gaurava. Okay? Once upon a time, pop music was dash. कौन सी popular रो? Yes, pop music was popular. जनप्रिय थिला. Once upon a time, pop music was popular. Okay? Once upon a time, pop music was popular. Okay? He has a dash in this constituency. Constituency बनाना पिला देखो. यही निर्वाचन मंडल रे तांकर जनप्रियता अछि he has dash in this constituency yes popularity he has popularity in this constituency he has popularity in this constituency he gave a dash cry. Pity. He gave a dash cry. Pity ro? Piteous. Okay? He gave a piteous cry. He gave a piteous cry. गभीर चित्कार जोटा he gave a piteous cry. Adjective रे व्यवहार कले. He was crying dash. He was crying piteously. He was crying piteously. Okay? He was crying piteously. ओके our headmaster is a dash our headmaster is a dash discipline देछि our headmaster is a disciplinarian good yes देखि परलो our headmaster is a disciplinarian okay our headmaster is a disciplinarian okay by nature she is very dash साइरु कोन लगिबो by nature she is very dash साइरो चिंता करो होनी she is very shy by nature she is very shy okay by nature she is very shy बाजकुला स्वभावर adjective once upon a time I was dash fit दिन थिला मु फिजिकली फिट थिली once upon a time sorry कहि तो साइलेंट आ once upon a time I was physically fit okay once upon a time I was physically fit okay देख परलो मनन देखो once upon a time I was physically fit okay you come to school to receive dash training mind रो कोन लगिवो you come to school to receive dash training yes to receive mental training to receive mental training you come to school to receive mental training he is on dash go he is on dash okay education रो से जने कोन అవని he is an educationist he is an educationist okay he is an educationist okay being an dash person being an dash person you shouldn't say so जड़े शिक्षित व्यक्ति होई कि रे तमे भली कहयाटा उचित नुहे being an dash person you shouldn't say so what yes educated person being an educated person you shouldn't say so being an educated person you shouldn't say so MK Gandhi has a habit to dash his parents बापा मांकर सेवा करियार अभ्यास तंकर थला सर्विस रो कोन हबो वर्ब चाहूची टू प्लस वर्ब यस MK Gandhi has a habit to serve his parents MK Gandhi has a habit to serve his parents okay to serve okay you can get dash when you realize your own fault जितने निजर फॉल्ट निजे रियलाइज करि परिबो सेतिकले तुमको एग्जाम छाड़ मिलिबो एग्जाम रो फॉर्म कोन यू कैन गेट exemption when you realize your own fault you can get exemption when you realize your own fault the weather is dash today आज पाग केमती अछि यस पूर्व प्रस्तुति चली यस क्लाउड रो आज तो वर्षा होची यस द वेदर इज क्लाउड रो कोन हबो द वेदर इज क्लाउडी टुडे द वेदर इज क्लाउडी टुडे ओके द वेदर इज क्लाउडी टुडे I can't tolerate he is absent sorry पाटी भूल बाहर I can't tolerate his dash absent रो कोन लागिवो तांकर अनुपस्थिति की मु सहय करि परनी हमें कहते he is absent से अनुपस्थित अछि तांकर अनुपस्थिति नाउन फॉर्म टा दरकार करछि कोन हम सेटा यस absence I can't tolerate his absence okay I can't tolerate his absence this case is not at all believe ru कोन लागिवो हां this case is not at all believable this case is not at all believable विश्वसनीय नुहे एडजेक्टिव फॉर्म टा लागुची हला बिलीव थिला वर्ब बिलीवेबल बनानटा मते को लास्ट ई रहिबो ई टा रहिबो ना सेमती एबुल लागिबो ई कटिबो त पिले तुम कहूची जे लक्ष्य करिनियो हला बिलीवेबल बनान लास्ट ई उठिची बी ई एल आई ई भी ए बी एल ई बिलीवेबल ओके दिस केस इज नॉट एट ऑल बिलीवेबल ए कथाटा के जमार विश्वसनीय नुहे ओके ही क्राइड इन डीप डैश अंगर दैची हां एटा गांधी जी का वाक्य मध्ये थला इन anguish हला he cried in deep anguish he cried in deep anguish देख परलो he cried in deep anguish अंगर anguish he looked at me in dash अंग्रेजी रू कोन लागिवो he looked at me in anger हला he looked at me in anger okay he looked at me in anger देखिला he looked at me in anger हाँ noun form you can't achieve dash unless you work hard you can't हाँ succeed रू कोन लागिवो achieve dash success you can't achieve success unless you work hard you can't achieve success unless you work hard okay you can't achieve success unless you work hard a dash person suffers in his life a dash person suffers in his life neglect ro adjective टा दरकार करछि yes a neglectful person पहिले ए नेग्लेक्टेड पर्सन मध्ये होई परिबो हला ना पार्थक्य ठीक अछि ए नेग्लेक्टेड पर्सन हले जहाकू अवहेला करा जाईची ए नेग्लेक्टफुल पर्सन हले से तमो भलिया जे जीवन व्यापी अवहेला करिची जमा मन दे पाठ पढिनी हला ए नेग्लेक्टफुल पर्सन सफर्स इन हिज लाइफ a neglectful person suffers in his life a neglected person suffers in his life न करिकी a neglected person is suffering now बर्तन से संतुलन पाउछ ना जे अवहेलित हला आंसर ए नेग्लेक्टफुल ए क्षेत्र में लिख an accident took place due to the dash of the driver an accident took place due to the dash of the driver yes negligence an accident took place due to the negligence of the driver okay an accident took place due to the negligence of the driver okay due to corona we dash गणेश पूजा without pomp and splendor हाँ मैं गणेश पूजा कलु किंतु आउ से उत्साह उद्दीपना कोड आसीबो हला सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग ड्यू टू कोरोना we verb ला दरकार करछि yes we observed okay we observed गणेश पूजा without pomp and splendor पहले मुसिपुल पास्ट कर देली we observed we are observing we are going to observe हला we ये सब ठीक है verb टा दरकार है कोन ड्यू टू कोरोना we observed गणेश पूजा without pomp and splendor okay ओके समझ खाली केते उत्तर जाना कौनटा उत्तर कॉपी कर अभ्यास तुम ट्राई टू राइट ए डैश फॉर्म्ड हैंड ट्राई टू राइट ए डैश फॉर्म्ड हैंड ब्यूटीफुल देछि यस ए ब्यूटीफुली फॉर्म्ड हैंड ट्राई टू राइट ए ब्यूटीफुली फॉर्म्ड हैंड ब्यूटीफुली एडवर्ब ट्राई टू राइट ए ब्यूटीफुली फॉर्म्ड हैंड he had got sufficient dash to win the case केस जितिया पाई ता पाखर sufficient कौन थला प्रमाण थिला नामटा दरकार करछि यस कौन हो ना अच्छा प्रूफ हला sufficient proof he had got sufficient proof देखला पे पढ़ी होछि he had got sufficient proof to win this case नाउन लागि छि एफ को देखो पी आर ओ एफ ही हैड गॉट सफिशिएंट प्रूफ टू विन दिस केस टू विन द केस केसटा जितिया पई ता पाखर सफिशिएंट प्रमाण थिला ओके इजी वेरी हेल एंड डैश हार्ट रो कोन लागिवो यस हार्टी इजी वेरी हेल एंड हार्टी ओके HEARTY hearty okay he laughed dash laugh adverb रा चाहिलानी verb रो he laughed heartily okay he laughed heartily okay he is waiting for the results dash anxious ro yes anxiously he is waiting for the results anxiously उत्कंठार सहित चाहि रहिछि he is waiting for the results anxiously okay your application is under dash consider देछि your application is under consider कौन हम consideration your application is under consideration okay your application is under consideration तम application टा विचार चली okay consideration you should have dash between you shouldn't have dash तम निज भितर कौन सी विरुद्धता रहा उचित नुहे you shouldn't have yes rivalry you shouldn't have rivalry between you you shouldn't have rivalry between you okay I had dash to do this work again आछि आउर आगु आसी मथि yes मोर सामर्थ्य अछि have दिस had नुहे I have ability to do this work I have ability to do this work okay I have ability to do this work due to old age my grandmother has become rather dash बुढ़ा वयस बुढ़ी वयस जत आसीगला मो ग्रांडमदर बर्तमान कौन सब कथा भूली जाऊँगी कोटी चश्मा थोइली कोटी कौन कली सब कथा भूली जाऊँगी है सी हैज बिकम rather forgetful okay due to old age my grandmother has become rather forgetful okay do you have any dash with it तमर भाई जंत्र किसी असुविधा हो कि ये लैपटॉप तुमको चल आसुनि कि तुम आगुआ उत्तर बाहरी पड़ी डू यू हैव एनी डिफिकल्टी ओके डू यू हैव एनी डिफिकल्टी with it do you have any difficulty with it difficulty you should show dash to animals प्राणी मान प्रति टिके सहृदयता माने दया भाव देखाओ you should show kindness okay you should show kindness to the animals you should show kindness to the animals देखि दिया You should show kindness to the animals. Okay? You should show kindness to the animals. Kind of kindness gala noun form टा व्यवहार होला. Suresh is very dash about it. सुरेश भारी about English. हाँ इंग्लिश शिक्षा तार प्रबल आग्रह माने जोटा सुरेश इज भेरी नॉलेजियस हला सुरेश इज भेरी नॉलेजियस ओके सुरेश इज भेरी नॉलेजियस अबाउट इंग्लिश बना टी देख BGEOUS सुरेश इज भेरी नॉलेजियस अबाउट इंग्लिश ओके ही इज ए मैन ऑफ डैश नॉलेज कंसीडर कंसीडर कौन हम कह हि इज ए मैन ऑफ माने जी नॉलेज अच्छी चलो है हि हैज ए मैन ऑफ हि इज ए मैन ऑफ कंसीडरेबल नॉलेज ओके इज ए मैन ऑफ कंसीडरेबल नॉलेज I had to leave the stadium due to the dash performance of our players. आम पिला जो परफॉर्मेंस है भाई कौन कह किए किए तो अंडा फोपाड़े मुझे से करें एमतिया परफॉर्मेंस सी 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 है मुझे छाड़ी पलि आईली है आई हैड टू लीव द स्टेडियम ड्यू टू द लज्जाजनक परफॉर्मेंस यस शेमफुल परफॉर्मेंस ड्यू टू द शेमफुल परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ आवर प्लेयर्स ओके शेमफुल SHAMEFUL due to the shameful performance of our players. When she lost her chance, तार देले बाली खसी गला. She got mad with dash. दुखरे पूरा भांगी पड़िला. कौन हैला मो पाली आदि मो खसी गला. When she lost her chance, she got mad with yes, grief. दुखरे with grief. उठला टी अड़ुआ होगा तथा चेष्टा करा नगेद हाँ हाँ देखागला तो कौन शी हैज गॉट मैड विथ ग्रीफ ओके ओके लग गया शी हैज गॉट मैड विथ ग्रीफ नाउन फॉर्म आसला हिज डैश इन इंग्लिश इज वेरी पुअर हाउ हाउ ओके हिज achievement his achievement in English is very poor his achievement in English is very poor okay go away I felt the dash of a pen कलम मो पूरा अनिवार्य हो पड़ा मो कलम भारी जोर खोजिली I felt the necessity okay I felt the necessity of a pen. देखे दूची पेज नोटिस तजन को सिटी रंग देखेबो ओके I felt the necessity of a pen. देखो I felt the necessity of a pen. necessary necessity देखी लिखो कहीं व्यस्त किस नहीं I realized the dash of this sum ये हमको ना इतने सहज मुझे भी अनुभव कली I realized the dash of this sum. I realized the dash of this sum. Zero? Yes. Easiness. I realized the easiness of this sum. Easiness. Noun form asila. The dash of the girl made the poet glad. Hala. व्हाट्सएप कविता वी आर 7 है से कहते व्हाट्सएप हर ब्यूटी मेड मी ग्लाड है ब्यूटी भी आंसर आसीगला हर है आंसर आसीगला आमर लगे दूसरी तुम देखी दियो ओके हर ब्यूटी द ब्यूटी ऑफ द गर्ल ओके सौंदर्य विशेष भाव व्यवहार है द गर्ल इज ब्यूटीफुल एडजेक्टिव हर ब्यूटी हर पेन जमती हर ब्यूटी नाउन वंस अपॉन ए टाइम आई हैड डैश टू रन 5 किलोमीटर्स दिन थला मु भी 5 किलोमीटर दौड़ी थली एबे सिना चुटी छोट हो गला यस आई had ability to run 5 kilometers okay once upon a time I had ability to run 5 kilometers the dash trained the players the dash trained the players ये जे प्रशिक्षक ता कौन कहते हैं द ट्रेनर ट्रेंड द प्लेयर्स ट्रेनर ओके ए जो प्लेयर मान को कौन कहबा ट्रेनी माने बहुवचन करी कहबा ट्रेनीज TRAINEES हला प्लेयर्स माने एठारे ले ट्रेनीज द ट्रेनर ट्रेंड द ट्रेनीज हला द ट्रेनीज लिखि दो जुमनंडा TRAINEES हला ओके माने ठीक गले से कौन हमर ट्रेनीज प्लेयर माने ले ट्रेनीज ओके हे गला द ट्रेनर ट्रेंड द ट्रेनीज ओके ओके ट्राई टू एंजॉय द डैश ऑफ योर फैमिली मेंबर्स अरे कहीं परिवार एमती समस्त हैरान करछु ती परिवार लोक मान के स्नेह श्रद्धा मिलियो से विषय चिंता कर हला ट्राई टू एंजॉय द अफेक्शन ओके ट्राई टू एंजॉय द अफेक्शन ऑफ योर फैमिली मेंबर्स ओके ट्राई टू एंजॉय द अफेक्शन ऑफ योर फैमिली मेंबर्स अफेक्शन कोडे पळे गला नै अछि ट्राई टू एंजॉय द अफेक्शन ऑफ योर फैमिली मेंबर्स ओके ओके he is regarded पट तो खसला कोई कौन he is regarded as a fool हला he is regarded as a fool से गोटे वोकाबुलरी विवेचित होउची पासिव वॉइस रिगार्ड रो वर्ब होइची he is regarded as a fool विवेचित हेले रिगार्ड रो regarded ओके he is regarded as a fool ओके the officer took dash action against the clerk the officer took dash action against the clerk विरुद्ध रे को एक्शन नेले डिसिप्लिनरी हला डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन बुझ परछ डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन against the clerk the officer took disciplinary action against the clerk disciplinary मन रखिबा ओके ओके भारत इज नो डाउट ए डैश नेशन प्रोग्रेस रो यस भारत इज नो डाउट ए प्रोग्रेसिव नेशन भारत इज नो डाउट ए प्रोग्रेसिव नेशन प्रोग्रेसिव ओके प्रोग्रेसिव मनन देख लगे दउछि त पाखु को ओके भारत इज नो डाउट ए प्रोग्रेसिव नेशन ओके आई विल रिमेन डैश टू यू हां एटा एप्लीकेशन रे सब दिन देखुछि हां आई विल रिमेन ग्रेटफुल टू यू आई विल रिमेन कोन सजरा आसीबो की आई विल रिमेन ग्रेटफुल टू यू ना ओके देखिनियो आई विल रिमेन grateful to you okay I will remain grateful to you everybody is dash of name and fame समस्ते आजिकल समस्ते का पिछा पड़छन केमते ना हला प्रतिष्ठा प्रशंसा या पिछा समस्ते पड़िचंती समस्ते चाहउचंती डिजायर करचंती डिजायर कोन हबो everybody is desirous मनन देखो माने ई की लक्ष्य करो डिजायर जो ई थला से ई अछि तो आंसर रे सेति की लक्ष्य करो DSIR ई नहीं ई कटला OUS desirous everybody is desirous of name and fame okay everybody is desirous of name and fame my birthday is a dash day for me मो पई गोटे स्मरणीय दिन my birthday is a dash day for me Okay, my birthday is a memorable day. Okay, my birthday is a memorable day for me. Okay, my birthday is a memorable day for me. I am dashed to do this work. Able रो कौन लगी वो? Ability केमती हम? I am able. ମୁଁ ସମର୍ଥ ଅଟେ ହେଲା I am able to do this work. Adjective. I am able to do this work. I am able. I have ability. वो देखिए ना तुम्हें हो. I am able to do this work. देखा होला? Okay. I have dash to do this work. कहीं चलें तो कौन? I have ability to do this work. Okay. I have ability to do this work. एकदम देखी दूसरी कहीं व्यस्त हो चला I have ability to do this work. Okay. Rahim is no doubt a dash boy. Innocence रो कौन लगी वो? Rahim is no doubt an dash boy. Innocent. Okay. Adjective. Rahim is no doubt an innocent boy. Rahim is no doubt an innocent boy. Only a doctor can certify your dash fitness. तमें केते मात्रा फिटनेस फिट अछ से कथा किए कहबो ओनली ए डॉक्टर कैन सर्टिफाई मु कोन शिक्षक कहि परिबी मु देबी यस योर फिजिकल फिटनेस पिले योर पर अछि गुरुजी कहजनी हर पर थला नाउन हैला योर पर अछि एटा नाउन हबो योर फिजिकल फिटनेस फिटनेस ता नाउन फिजिकल हैला एडजेक्टिव ओके योर नहीं आस व्यस्त होनी ता पाखे नगई देबी ना देखिबो तमे निज पिला तुम हैरान करी ओके देवे देखी हबनी सी हेल्ले असुविधा हो कष्ट हो योर फिजिकल फिटनेस ओके देख लो तो देख ओनली ए डॉक्टर कैन सर्टिफाई योर फिजिकल फिटनेस ओके Only then you can dash success when God desires. जितने ईश्वर चाहिए सेति गले तमे माने सक्सेस अचीव करि परिबो अचीवमेंट कोन लागिबो ओनली देन यू कैन यस अचीव सक्सेस ओनली देन यू कैन अचीव सक्सेस यू कैन अचीव वर्ब मनन देखुता ओनली देन यू कैन अचीव सक्सेस व्हेन गॉड डिजायर्स अच्छा just now I am unable to dash his name la just now I am unable to dash his name yes I am unable to recollect just now I am unable to recollect his name okay I am unable to recollect his name just now I am unable to recollect his name okay okay then we shouldn't dash others for our failure आम निजर फेल्यूर पई आमे आउ काकु दायी करबा यस वर्ब रे चाहूची शुड करे we shouldn't blame others okay we shouldn't blame others for our failure. We shouldn't blame others for our failure. I was once dash for my behavior. मु भी दिने दंड पाई थली मोर मिसबिहेवियर पाई हला I was once punishment रुकन लगियो yes verb अपनी passive form रे I was once punished okay I was once punished for my misbehavior. I was once punished for my misbehavior. Parents take steps dash their children. Education रो कौन लगी वो? Parents take steps dash their children. Yes, educate. Parents take steps to educate their children. Okay. parents take steps to educate their children. Okay, page niya marchi asubidha habo. Okay, parents take steps to educate their children. कोटी गला कि खसी गला कौन हाँ देखी देवा ओके would you dash opening the window ହେଲା would you dash opening the window मैं ठीक है झरकाटा खोल देव कि ହେଲା yes would you mind would you mind opening the window okay would you mind opening the window mind okay would you mind opening the window okay हाँ गलानी the trainer trained the dash the trainer trained the trainees okay the trainer trained the trainees okay the trainer trained the trainees okay trainees okay okay play number सरीगला कुदे 75 सरीगला दिन कर डिस्कशन हला आउ नेक्स्ट वीडियो खूब कम दिन मध्य तुम पाखे पहुँचुची यू आरंभ हम 76 रो आज एतिकी बहुत 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 धन्यवाद।